Your four-legged friend turns out to be the best listener. Every magician needs an assistant as obedient as this one to succeed. It's not about the destination, it's about the companion. Best friends share the same brain cell. With such an energetic boy beside, Grandma will never be sad. Food tastes better when shared with your buddy. There will be no boundaries when two are too close. My safety comes first, and the master is old enough to take care of himself.
Holy!
Top one way to become invincible. As long as you try, anything is possible.
I don't know, maybe it's just
Mila! 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 Quit!
Young people today are quite lazy and do not like to run, but dogs are very aware of exercise to improve health. Before cutting, this girl is already complaining. She really knows how to do things. Hi! Videos of mischievous dogs are back. In the first video, we heard the helpless laughter of the girl in front of her dog. Surprise! Even though he couldn't bite the ball forever, the boy kept trying, even in the dark. Just immerse yourself in the game, and if you get caught, just be obedient and cute, and no one can blame you.
What are you doing? Aren't you doing anything?
Hello! Door?
Anyone who has been raising a dog must be familiar with this scene. Let's tell us about your dog.
You know what you did. You're a bad boy. You joined in because look at that.
When you want to skate but are too lazy to go to the rink. Amount of money can buy. These beautiful memories will forever be engraved in their mind. The best basketball buddy you can ever meet in your life.
I have a Daisy. I'm not quite sure what she is, but I think she's a crackhead.
Just want to have a kiss. Is that too much to ask for? This is the last time dog gets spoiled? The hardest promise to fulfill ever. Ludo Dog will protect his best friend at all costs. Can't understand what birthday is, but still loves it. Dog waited all day for little human to come home for belly rub. This is the best companion on every journey. The trio that can't be separated in the wedding. Dancing's great for releasing stress, even more effective when you do it with dogs. This is a new pose for the banana tree, or is it a quieter way to play with the tail? This seems to be a familiar image every time I visit a house with a dog. Come. The most realistic image for dog swimming. The dog and the ball are like cute best friends playing together. Food theft is common to all adorable dogs and even other animals. When my friend said mud bath is good for skin.
Oh my god, what a turkey.